All right, so now in this video, we're gonna go over clinching and kneeing, all right? We're gonna go over kneeing first, and then we'll do the clinching second. Now, kneeing. Kneeing is practically the most important weapon to use when you're inside, but it's also useful when you're on the outside. We call them long range knees, okay? And I'm just gonna show you the basic foundation knees. There are advanced knees out there, like the flying knee, okay? That, you know, we'll get there eventually. I want you to get your foundations down, all right? So, kneeing. Kneeing is like understanding that your knees are like spears, okay? Think of a long stick with the spear at the end, okay? Now, when you knee, you bring it up towards your opponent, but you always want to make sure that your toes are facing downwards, okay? And your heel comes up towards your rear, to your bum, okay? It doesn't have to be, you know, right up to it, but as long as your toes are facing down, then you've got a good spear going on, okay? Now, when you throw your knees, there's a lot of balance that's involved in this, but also whichever knee you're throwing, you want to be able to lift up on the balls of your foot on the opposite. So if I'm kneeing with my right leg, then I want to lift up on the balls of my left foot, okay? So just like this, see that? So my foot here is down, my heel is towards my bum, and my left foot, I'm not on it like that, I'm up, okay? When you go up, it allows you to increase the height of your knee, okay? Also, it allows more force to go into your opponent. I can knee with a flat foot. It's so much better when I lift up, okay? It allows you to open up your hips and then push out. So when you're kneeing, you push up with your hips. Push, just like that. Push. And I'll try it on the other one. Push. 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 Okay. Now, when you're kneeing, there's different, it's kind of like if I'm going to knee with my right knee, okay, it's in my rear, it's my rear leg, guard is up. I want my right hand to grab the side of my opponent's neck on the opposite side, okay? Not on this side, okay? This side, all right? This allows me to create balance, but I'm also keeping guard up on my left. That way, I can stay safe from this hand. So I'm just like that, okay? And then I'm going to knee in the midsection. Just like that. Okay, and now I'm gonna demonstrate on the other side. So I'm gonna step my right, and I'm going at a 45-degree angle. So my rear becomes my lead. So it's my regular stance. I'm gonna step 45 with my right, which allows my left to be my rear. Grab on this side, my guard is up here because of this hand, and then, okay. Now, I just attacked this midsection, okay? I haven't attacked the head yet. That's where clinching comes, all right? But let me show you one other thing about these foundational knees. So cool. When you're on the inside and you get into your clinch mode, and this is clinching, by the way, you bring in a tight hold between your forearms and your opponent's head. But we're not going to concentrate on that just yet. Just want you to get used to side knees. Side knees, they don't come upwards. They go out and in, okay? So out and in. Same for the other side, out and in. So it looks like this, out, in, out, in. In the middle here, or on the side of your knees, it's a hard bone. And when you're on the inside, you want to be able to still attack your opponent's sides, you know, but if your hands are up here and they're tied up, you know, you really gotta be mindful that you do have weapons. You know, you do have weapons on the inside of your knees, okay? So that's what we do here. Those are side knees. So I'm gonna go over it again. We're gonna do knees to the midsection, and I'm gonna always keep a guard up, just like I'm throwing across. My guard is still here, and then bam. Now I'm gonna do it on the other side, step out, bam. Just like that, okay? And now we're gonna come in the inside knee, out, in. Step back, in, out, in. Okay, all right, now clinching. Like I said before, clinching is, the idea is you wanna control your opponent's head. If you can control your opponent's head, you can do whatever you want with them. You can control them, you can bend them down this way, you can pull them this way, you can pull them that way, you can pull them backwards, okay? Wherever the head goes, the body goes. But right here, when you clinch, we're not interlocking fingers, we're grabbing just like this, around the wrists, okay? Just like that. So, I'm clinching, and with my elbows, like this, I want to bring inwards. This locks right here, underneath the jaw. So it's just like vice grips, just lock, okay? So I'm in clinch, and then I lock, and now I got control of his head. When I'm in here, if I'm so close to my opponent, I can still do side knees, bam, bam, okay? Bam, 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 bam. And remember, so I'm controlling him. So if I yank his body to the right, I want to knee with my right. Because he's coming this way and his body weight's coming this direction, then my knee is going to hit him harder. Same there. Now, as for other knees, now that I got his head right here in my clinch, I could drag him back this way, and now I can do up knee. And an up knee, you could do chest, it's okay. But the up knee I prefer is to the face, okay? So I'm here, I stepped back, I'm belly button to belly button. In the beginning, clinch, I step back, pull his head down, bam, to the face, okay? Bam, to the face, bam, to the face. Or anywhere, the solar plex or the midsection, make a pop up, okay? You control it. Long range knees, show you some of that. Long range is when you're not so close to your opponent, but you still have an opportunity to knee him. It's like I'm keeping my distance, I'm still, okay? So, foundational knees, you're doing knees to the midsection. Remember, always keep your guard up. If you're gonna knee with your right, make sure that this arm here is on the side of the neck or the shoulder, top shoulder area. Bam, midsection, bam, midsection. We go for the clinch. Your belly button to belly button. Side knees. Okay? Control your opponent, bring them out. Control the head with the clinch. Up knee to the face, to the stomach, or to the chest. There you go. So, that's your knees. Practice them left and right. Practice clinching, bringing the head down, controlling the body. Practice with a friend or practice on a heavy bag. Get your knees down. We'll see you on the next video. Cup 'em cup.